Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ULED problem issue in your Windows 10 computer. So first you have to go to the Start menu and click Settings. Now click Privacy. Select General and turn off all these four options. Do the same on every other option under Windows permission. By turning off these options, your computer will run smoother than before. After turning off these options, you have to restart your computer to see the results. That's all guys. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this. Goodbye.